So, folks, Doling, the great, outstanding, and wonderful, and I will be making our very own handcrafted stool. We'll be guided by Onari Cohen of Kingston Woodworks. But as you know, we are good.
We don't need any help.
Everything.
Yeah, because we know how to measure the trigonometry.
We don't even need it. So take care of it. Thanks for bringing the boards and stuff.
And also the measurement of the...
Morning, sir. How are you?
I'm well. How
By the way, me make this already, Simona.
Yeah, didn't do a thing.
All right, so tell me about your company first.
Yeah, so I am the owner and operator of Kingston Woodworks. We do custom furnishing, but we've been doing workshops since 1.5 years now. I'm just to teach curious minds a little bit about woodworking and give them some practical experience.
Those curious minds are young minds, old minds,
We're talking about from 4-year-olds to 70-odd. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
And what you teach them? Like what? Regular, them have to make stool and
So I have
table?
stool, benches, bookshelves. It's like a 3-hour class. They come there, I prepare everything for them and then teach them.
What is your background in this?
So I went to UTech to study electrical engineering. Then I became an apprentice to a woodworker, and then
that was it?
Yeah.
So forget about the electrical engineering for now.
For now.
For now.
Yeah.
But the two can work together, eh?
Yes.
What was the very first thing you ever made all by yourself?
I tried making a skateboard when I was about 5 years old.
That's one I can
Try making no sound like it never worked.
Oh,
No,
try,
but the first time I made was like a cutting board in recent times.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's actually it.
Do these have to be specific measurement, or we can just cut up any board and just make a thing?
Both. It's about. But for now, we're just going to make it easy for you guys.
This look dangerous, very much so.
If you don't use it properly.
Well, it's me and never, so it's...
Yeah.
Two minds are great, and I'm here to...
No, our 2 minds don't make up to 1 mind.
You don't know our 2 minds.
So you're going to want to be careful.
All right, so where we start? So we're making this, right? We're making that.
Yes.
So we have everything, we just have to put it together.
Just assembling.
Then the wood glue this, so what we need this for?
So the glue dries in 24 hours.
Oh, let's use this.
So we need a
then.
screw to assemble
All right,
now.
Okay.
All right, so the first step now is to join the 2 legs to the spine. So we're calling this the spine.
By the way, don't try this at home. Some are rude, they love that. And you see, we have on our safety.
Protected. Some of us have
goggles.
4 eye this morning.
Extra protection.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so the first step now.
Oh! Is not to get your...
The first step is to make sure this fan is firm, so.
Yes, no, the other way. This way. Yes.
Okay.
Right.
So we have to go measure where your board
So we're going to put it in the center.
in the center.
Yes.
Samaroni is...
So we can use the tape measure and find the center of that.
The tape measure?
Yes.
Find the center of this?
Yes, at the top.
Why we can't just use the ruler?
Or use the ruler.
Here. Go on.
Yeah, no man.
So
Center, we're starting
so we can
measuring
turn
from
it
where?
around.
At the top?
So we're using the inside.
What are you doing?
Yes. So start from 0.
Start from 0.
Yeah.
You never use a ruler in school? 5. So you're looking at
so
2.5.
the
So
center.
yes, so.
Oh, smart.
So then
smart.
we mark, yes, so. Move something, sir. Move this now. Right. So then
All right, so we need to do the same for the other one.
You need to give me some room to work. Oh, man. Yes, man. You bring a Brock Prince to come in here. Okay. There you go.
All right, good job.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, so we're going to apply the glue to the end of the spine.
The end of?
So put it up.
Hold on now.
So this is the end.
I never know this was a spine.
Then why this so hard to pull?
The pulley is
Okay, ready.
the end?
Yes.
The end of the spine. Well, I never know this is a spine.
How many glue
That's
you
enough.
need?
That's enough. That's more than enough. So we're going to put that. We'll
Then
just
I have to do
mark.
that side too.
No, we're going to put one
Wait,
side at
that one
a
is a
time.
time.
So what we do? So?
The other way around.
In the
Like
middle
so?
where we just mark.
Like so. And then we need to flip it like so now.
And then drill him.
And then we'll put in the screws.
Boom, boom.
So we're going to start slow and gradually increase.
Move your finger.
Wait, now let me put it in
Start
first.
slow, go ahead.
Samaroni.
Wait.
Wait,
That's
hold
my
on.
strength.
All right.
Wait again.
So we need to apply a little bit more pressure. Slowly,
More.
please. Yeah, go ahead. Slowly. Yeah. Yeah. A little bit more. All right, that's it.
Oh my, it's a contact sport.
So we're doing the other one now.
Soldier.
It's another your turn.
Oh, my sorry.
Okay, I'll just be over here.
Soldier.
See if you're doing a better job.
It's a contact sport, soldier.
Right.
No, you can't press it hard for long.
Slowly, 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 and continue. Yes. All right. A little bit more. All right.
Better than me? Talk truth.
I mean, talk the truth.
So now
That's
we can
not
just
bad.
Glue up the stone.
Yeah, man.
All right. Da-na-na-na.
All right, that's enough. Want to spread it a little?
See, when my application was better, wasn't it not?
No,
Yes.
it's a contact sport.
But it's harder to
You
screw
can't do it
now.
that way, though. You have to put it back.
Why?
I don't want to put this
Yeah.
side on.
So why we put? Oh, did I do that?
It wasn't me.
Sorry. It was me.
I was saying it wasn't me. Yeah, man, I know what's going on here.
But you never eat breakfast this morning.
So we're learning now.
Let me see what I know.
There's a better applications, although it leans still, but I'll work with it.
Your turn now. See?
Wait, no, you're trying to.
Hold on.
Be on.
Press it to the
Watch your finger, Sim.
I am, but I just put it in.
All right. Getting better.
That not bad.
So now, final step. You need to put this in the center of the top.
So we're going to measure and glue again?
Yes, so we're going to measure, trace, glue, screw.
Measure, trace, glue, screw.
Yes. So,
Okay.
What, move this for me, move this guy. So where are we, 8-ish?
8.5. So, we're 4.25.
4.25, yes sir?
Yes. A little bit more on the edge. Because, yeah.
The edge.
Oh,
Okay, let's put it right here. Mm-hmm. Yes.
okay.
Same for the other side.
Don't understand that.
Wait.
No. Yeah.
You never use that?
No, you're not in line. You're not in line.
This ruler is not. Yeah,
You
that's
never use
perfect.
a ruler in school?
I use it, I just never know how to use it properly.
Alright, so we need to measure the other side now. This is when we're going to use the tape measure because the ruler is not.
What you measure, you know?
The center.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah, so this is almost 15, so we're
15.
going 7.5. Another side. Okay,
And then just to align this now,
In the middle.
the middle.
just not align. Hold on, come down. Yeah, there we go. Glue in first?
So we need to trace it so we know where to glue.
Oh, I have to trace
Just put
it.
yeah.
I just feel like it leaned to me. We're tracing the whole thing?
Yes. You guys see my at ease now.
No, man, we understand everything in it. We never need you, you know. You just make it more difficult, you know.
Oh, really?
Would I finish already if you're going
Thank you. You
to?
never did this done long time.
Big
Time.
distraction, yeah?
Long time.
Serious thing. We don't need you. I want to tell you, say we have about 9 make already. Are you coming?
So
Alright,
nice,
so now-
made and sold.
Thank you.
Apply the glue to this,
To what?
to the top.
You know who bring you come, because we'd have done this long time. I want to we'd have make all 2 couch.
All 3.
No. Seriously.
Couch in 10 minutes.
To coach.
We'd have make 2 couch already.
No, if you're getting a little carried away.
If you need any, I was going to say intern, but we got more than that already.
We're out turn.
We're out turns now.
Yeah. All right.
So now we just put it back. It's better we just
You do it this way.
and then flip it around. Yeah, you're smart, man.
Very.
You have it? You have your side?
I have my side.
Put him down.
All right,
Put it down. Yeah.
Okay. It's swimming.
just keep right there,
Yeah.
and then
Can
we'll
turn
flip
over now?
it.
It's like a pizza.
Hold
Mamma
on, you
mia.
just move my thing, you know. I don't know why you get involved, because we did have the thing right and now you come and chop. It don't look straight over here, so you know, look over here.
You're not straight over here, Sanita.
See, I know
That's
these
how we
things.
trace it.
No, it's straight.
And now, so now we're gonna put it in the screws. 4 screws at the top.
Which part?
So we're gonna measure again. Alright, so 1 inch.
We have
from the
1
edge.
minute and 52 seconds.
1 inch and 3 inches.
3.
Yeah. And 1 inch. I will repeat that.
3.
Yeah.
By the way, this is selling for $500,000.
Custom.
Yeah, just
3.
call me at 555. Hold on,
Zero,
can move a little bit.
1,
0000.
3.
Alright.
And we will come to your place and
1.
make 2 couch for
Alright,
you.
so we just again and then we apply the screws.
Oh, no, Ria, move the thing in a brother.
Go ahead.
Feel like. Watch your hand.
Hold on, hold on.
Slowly.
Sip. Go now, Sip.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, man. Come,
Okay.
Sam.
What soldier say? I just don't.
Go ahead. Go again. Alright, just 2 more and we finish.
Never really want to put in these screws? Or you're a bit of a
Observer.
I am the chief executive officer.
Little bit more.
I'm the chief executive officer of Hoodies. See?
Interesting name.
Yeah. So if you want anything made of food, you just call me and I will
put the screw around.
thank you.
So,
Right.
Ladies and germs.
yeah, we can go ahead and test it out.
Hey. Oh, don't get carried away. Look.
You don't trust our work.
Yeah. You can also stand on it.
What?
You can also stand on it.
Yeah, you stand on it, not me. Do not.
I trust our work.
No, sir. Me not so brave.
Why?
Brother,
I'm set up on the other one.
really appreciate it. Really well
Not bad.
explained and everything. So where can they find you?
Yeah, so I'm on Instagram at Kingston Woodworks.
Yeah.
Yeah,
TikTok on
soldier.
Kingston Woodworks.
Yep.
And my website is kingstonwoodworks.com.
Do you put anything, like suppose I wanted a sign with Simone on it, like a little stuff like that with Simone on it. You can do that?
Yes, we can.
All right.
Didn't you want a
not
sign
so
made the other day?
That is why I asked it. Yeah. You do carvings and stuff?
Yes, we do.
Come over here,
I
sir.
like it. Good.
Stand upside of me. Right? And
Up here?
Yeah.
See me sure?
I got you. Now wave to the people.
Husband and wife. Husband, wife.
Wife.
CEO at 8.
Thank you so much. Hi guys, owner and operator of Kingston Woodworks, Onari Cowan. After the break, we're rolling out.